channel Power BI Guru. So today we will discuss about installation part of Power BI. So how we use this. So we can download it from Microsoft Store or its official website, that is www.microsoft.com. So let's see it. So first go to this Microsoft Store. So here we will search about Power BI. Power BI desktop is here. So this one we need to install. So we can click on install, and after that installation will be started. And so let's start this one. Till the time it is starting or downloading, we can understand the next one is we can download it, its official website as well. So for that we go to Google, write Power BI desktop or Power BI download. So we'll click this one, its official website, that is microsoft.com. So you can see here Microsoft Power BI desktop is available here. There are multiple languages, so we can download it in our own language. And there are multiple versions as well, means this is for the 32-bit and this is for 64-bit. So whichever we want, we can download that. So we can go here, and that is which one we need, we can download it. So from here we can download. So let's go to our Microsoft Store as well, because there also here it is installed now. So we can see it in our search box. If we search for Power BI, so you can see here app is already showing. We can open it. So from website you can see I was already downloading it. I have not installed that, but it is installed from here directly. It's opening currently. So let's go to this blank report. So it is asking for the sign in option. So we can, for this time, I have cancelled it. So you can see here I have to sign in. There is no any account name coming. So this is our report builder. We can build our report. We can load the data. We can create these visuals like this one, and we can see the data if there is any table that will be the data. This is for modeling view. You can see the modeling between, or you can create your models like the relationship between multiple tables. So this is the overview of your Power BI desktop. When we download the app from Microsoft Store, that is, we regularly get updates, and updates are already installed in this Power BI desktop. So if we download it from its official website, means from here, then it will not directly install all the updates. We have to do all these updates by ourselves only. So you can see here, is downloading and installing of Power BI desktop application is very easy. So if you like this video, then you can subscribe this and like and comment. And if you have any doubt or any challenges if you are facing, you can comment on my video. Thank you.